So I'm here at the famous Rum Cake Factory in Nassau. It's about a 15-20 minute walk from the cruise port. If you do have a mobility scooter, you can take it, but it's going to be challenging at certain spots because the sidewalks here are not as good. You know, there's going to be some messed up spots, but you can do it. But it is great. Make sure you get here early because there is a line to get in here. There are 5 ships in port at this time, so it took me about 20 minutes in line to get in. But once you get in, it's good. There's people there to help you out with your orders and stuff. They accept cash and card. So definitely come here and get some fresh rum cakes. I got me a 6-pack, so hey. Okay.
Straight up to the front.
Okay, it's okay. Woohoo. Ooh, banana rum, Moretto, original.
All right, now my woman's coming in now. Everybody bow.
Kawada.
All right. You know what's going on. Real ladies and gentlemen, all of them are behind you, bro. Every single song is really female. You see all of them belong to me. Thank you very much. You're lucky guy. Wow. What can I say? I'm a mom and I take care of them all the same. Oh, okay. So I get to have more than one. Some guys got all the love.
Irish cream.
Alright guys, let's keep your line moving on up. Let's go. Come on. Go around and get you some. Get the samples. Get it on? Banana rum? Original pecan? Banana. No, this is a sample. So you get what you got? Yeah, so it's a sample.
So this is where all the magic happens. Fresh rum cakes. How you doing, man?
You're not purchasing, exit is this way.
Fresh rum cakes.
Purchasing.